Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew, in case you don't know who I am. In the last video, you saw that I passed step 1 of the Forex trading combine through Topstep. Today, I'm trading day 2, step 2, day 1. So we're going to go over those trades marked out here. If you're interested in learning more about this, go ahead and click the description link down below saying Topstep Forex. You'll get 20% off if you choose to partake in that. And let's go ahead and get into it. So took 3 trades today, lost $500, $530 on one of the trades, and then made $600 on a trade and $243 on a trade. So basically, end of the day, up $289. Yeah, so $289 positive. So let's just go ahead and get into this loser up here. The trade I took was 77.7. I went long on the breakout, didn't wait for confirmation, and actually got out at 77.13. It's right around there. This was a losing trade. I'll make it red. This trade lost me $530. Basically, what I wanted to see was breakout on 77.7 and then go into the 78s. Obviously, didn't wait for confirmation correctly. It was just a losing trade the entire time I was in it. Should have cut it a lot sooner, especially when we broke this level that was bounced off of several times. 37.3. Didn't do it. So lost some money on that one. Scratch it off, keep on going. Go into USD JPY. This is the 15-minute chart here. So I did buy, my original plan was this morning to buy this breakout at 0.3 basically, 110.3. As I was going in to put my buy stop market order in so that I would buy the breakout, it basically happened as I was putting my order in, and I didn't want to chase it originally, and obviously it just erupted off of this. So I FOMO'd in up here at 110.8, took a little bit of drawdown, and then it ended up being a big winner for about $600 or so. I re-added when I cut my CAD JPY trade, re-added on this dip at 111.13 and wrote it up and exited at 111.36. So that's the trades for the day. Let's see if I can get into my Topstep Forex. So as you can see here, average winning trade $284, average losing trade $530. Traded for 0.3 lots, currently at 2.89, made $2,289. Got to be a little more conservative because here you only get a weekly loss of $650, and my average winning trade is 75%, which makes up for this, which is why I'm net positive, but really want to get this under control as well as my winning percentage back up to, I mean, really 75 is fine. Step 1, I passed it with 89%, so I'd like to get back up to that, but it's kind of where we're at. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the links down below. Go ahead and like, subscribe, all that jazz. Trying to be vulnerable, posting all of this stuff in my Discord, that free trading chat room, real time, about 30 seconds after I take the trades. And that's it. So hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the update video on Monday. I'm going over day 2 of step 2. Peace.